Right, behind me I've got our G80 M3. Now, Mike is off for the week and I'm going to take the opportunity to zhuzh up the M3 a little bit. It's been a while since anything's changed on this car. You've all seen it in its current format quite a few times now. Across a lot of our cars we have either black parts or body coloured parts. We haven't got a lot of carbon going on here at Motech Performance. So with a recent partnership with CT Carbon, who we're now going to be supplying a lot of our parts through, we're going to change the M3 and I have ordered a full carbon fibre kit for the car. So we're going to do front splitter, side skirts, rear splitters into the rear diffuser. This car is going to look awesome when we're done with it. But for now, we'll take one final look over the car in its current format and prepare for the changes. It's always a good day when it's a Porsche day down at Motech, but today we've got something a bit different. Normally it's a 911, whether it's a Carrera 2, a GTS, a GT3 RS, they're always cool cars, but today we have something a bit more unique and I love these. This is a 981 Cayman S, a car that is very well presented on its own, but really benefits. A GT3 RS looks amazing regardless. You put the wheels on, it looks even better. This car, the styling's amazing, but the stock wheels just let it down. It's like the one bit they thought, we can't make it too cool because we need to have the upper models look like they're meant to be of a higher quality. So when you change the wheels on this, the end result is absolutely phenomenal. We've gone with our MW4s, we've kept stock sizes in terms of 20s, but we've expanded on the widths to develop some more aggression in the wheel. Stuck with gloss black. Against this car with that colour calipers, you had to do it. The only other colour you could have gone was satin, but we wanted the detail in the reflections. And it's come out a treat. The fitments are bang on, the offsets are perfect. And with the Michelins on, they look fantastic. So let's get the car outside. It's a lovely sunny day, not only to film the car, but also to take the car out.
So this is not my first time seeing the car, but it's the first time it's going to be actually on camera. So Alex and Rory behind the camera had taken off the AC Schnitzer kit that was on the M3, which I loved, and actually had sold it to a customer. There's a reason why we'll explain in the video coming very soon, but they've changed it out for some carbon. Now, I am a carbon fan, but I kind of didn't want to put carbon on this car because obviously a lot of Everlane cars have carbon. So Alex took that brief and then didn't really listen, which is obviously good because they have a carbon kit on it from CT Carbon. So it's kind of this OEM look, but it is a bit more aggressive. So coming down to the front, as you can see, you lose all the black off the corners and replace it. It's a single part unit. We've actually done a few of these on customers' cars, and fair play, it does look very good. Side skirts, I'm really interested in these. So what was interesting about the AC ones, they had like this running board straight down the side of the car attached to the original one. I really like that. And obviously the guys knew, so we replaced obviously the black rockers out and then added this much more aggressive carbon seal, and it actually gives a lot more width to the car. Car looks a lot more aggressive, but of course when you have the front, with the front lip, just matching down with the running board looks pretty good as well. Spoilers are still the same, they are bonded on and they will stay on the car, they are colour coded. But coming to the rear, come on Rory, complete rear diffuser. So obviously drop-in sides, complete black has obviously all gone around the side, and a much more aggressive diffuser across the back. It's really just lifted the car. We've had the car now for 6 months, and I think it's just to give it a bit of a new personality. I think next we maybe need to change the centre of the wheels. That's the good thing on the MW 1.2s is a split rim. We can just pop them off and send them across with powder coating. I would say a real glossy silver should look really good on this. But what an aggressive looking car. So the car's actually on the stand with Charles and Dean at Piston Heads this weekend, so we'll get some people's opinions of it. Hope you get a bit of B-roll. But as a whole, I really like how the car comes out. It's a lot more aggressive and a lot less OEM, but still keeping the OEM plus vibe. Let us know what you think. So we're going to have a bit of a wander around, just pick out some of the cars that really stand out. We've also seen this one before. We filmed with it. What a stunning car, and how amazing is it the fact that you've got an E46 M3 Touring parked next to Corvette C8 and an Aston Martin Valkyrie. That car is definitely taking centre stage this year. Cool, so if you know me, you know I love an old school 911. This is an OEM 993. Well, not really, but it looks absolutely amazing. Also on the theme, come with Rory. E91 touring car. These guys over in Holland built this car. It is absolutely stunning. We have a bit of a B-roll look around it, but what a great conversion. It's nice to see a lot of touring start to take centre stage. So we'd never normally film anything like this because it's way out of all our leagues, but behind the camera is Rory, our cameraman. This is his favourite car. It's really nice, but for me, I'd have that all day long. Right, had to stop at this one as well. As you know, my favourite colour, and I have it on my M4, is Laguna Seca Blue. Laguna Seca Blue on an M3 Touring, and it's a CS. Oh my God, I want it. But you'd have to have a cup holder as well. So we're here on the BMW stand at Piston Heads, and I love them all. I really, really do. Interlagos Blue E92 is beautiful, real stunning car. And to the left of it, a red, so I believe it'll be Imola red or Japan red, I'm not sure. But someone's done a conversion to an M3 Touring. It's about third or fourth car we've seen a conversion, M5, E46 and this E91. I think Tourings are going to be the next big thing. G80 M3 CS. These are lovely. Let me know what you think of these. Really, really nice. They've stepped it up big time over the normal M2. But also 240i on 19-inch near-dime MW1s. This looks great, real OEM. The good thing about the 19 inches, you can use your original tyres. So M4 CSs are really cool. They've got some real funky bits to them. This looks great. Carbon ceramics, carbon front splitter, 19 front, 20-inch rear. What a beautiful looking car. Would you have the black one or the blue? For me, that is it. Black on black on black, stunning. So these things, you've always got to look around the car park and you never know who you're going to bump into and what you're going to bump into. So we've had a quick walk around with Tony from BMW and Charlie as well. And we know this is Tony's car because of, look, TRL. Now, if you didn't know, Mr. BMW is also an Alpine fan. This is his A10R. It is beautiful. Now, we've let him off actually having an Alpine because we're a bit more BMW biased, because I know he's got an X-Drive M2 coming in and we're already talking about modifications.